Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 24th July 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, through this study, you go to your land of happiness via the land of peace. This is your aim and objective. You should never forget this. Question. At this time, what scenes of the drama do you children observe as detached observers? Answer. At this time, there are scenes of total sorrow in the drama. Even if someone does have some happiness, it is only temporary, like the droppings of a crow. The rest is nothing but sorrow. You children have now come into the light. You know how this unlimited world cycle continues to turn second by second. One day cannot be the same as the next. The acts of the whole world continue to change as new scenes continue to going on. Song is The Rain of Knowledge is for those who are with the Beloved. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Become introverted and check yourself. Repent from deep within your heart for the mistakes you have made and forgive yourself with the power of yoga. Make effort for yourself. Number 2. Follow the Father's advice fully and have mercy for yourself. Look at your own efforts and the efforts of others as a detached observer. Never cause yourself a loss. Blessing for today. May you be truly merciful and make plans for the safety of every soul by having feelings to benefit the world. Details are: at present, many souls are becoming instruments to cause harm to themselves. Be merciful towards them and make some plans. When you see the paths of some souls, do not become disturbed, but think of a means for their safety. Do not think that this happens all the time or that the tree has to shake. No. Finish the obstacles that have come. According to your titles of a world benefactor and a destroyer of obstacles, be merciful in your thoughts, words and deeds and cooperate in changing the atmosphere. Slogan is: Only those who keep the guard of attention on their intellects are able to be karma yogis. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. At the end, there will be one question in your final paper. Put a full stop in a second. You will be given a number on the basis of this. If it takes longer than a second, you fail. There should be just the one Father and yourself. There should be no third person in between you. It should not be, I should do this. I should see this. Why does this happen? What happened? If you have such thoughts, you will not pass the final paper.